introducing the chief guest. May I request Dr. R. Rajati.
Thank you, sir. I feel privileged to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Dr. K.S. Dasgupta and Educational Communication Unit ISRO from March 2008 to October 2010. Telemedicine Network. He was instrumental in content generation for tele-education and science mission, and also in the study of the social impact of EduSat and the Society of India. He has made immense contribution in terms of research in the fields of digital signal and image processing, digital communication.
Thank you, madam. I request the honorable chief guest, Dr. K.S. Dasgupta, Director.
In fact, it's an honor for me to be here with you on this momentous day. And in fact, I feel I am part of you because Pondicherry Engineering College. Then what next? There is an uncertain future. You are not quite sure what to do with yourself. You have been working to Celebration Day is a time of joy, time of tears, time of time you will all pleasure you have in all these three things. Now you are all entering into the third phase of your life, where you need to look after well-being of yours and others. This is very, very important. You also need to contribute to the secret of the work, helping others physically by removing their physical needs.
Graduates and postgraduates of Pondicherry Engineering College, that we shall, in thought, word and deed, over be honest, in discharge of our duties, in our profession, that honor our college and nation. Satyavel Anandara
IIST has got already a lot of new projects where we do with ISRO, because ISRO is a place where we have a lot of challenges, a lot of projects to be finished, and we have a cell which is called Advanced Space Development Technology Cell, where a lot of faculties, a lot of students, undergraduate, postgraduate as PhD, they are involved in a lot of challenges which space science and space technology has. And I'm very happy that we are working very closely with all the centers of ISRO, and I'm sure that it will take a very fruitful output in a very near future.
Any specific projects?
I cannot tell you specific projects, but we are working on whether it's launch vehicle related, whether it is related to the payload design, or it is nanosatellite. So it is very diverse. It is very difficult to tell at this point in time which project and what project, and that's the point.
Sir, regarding the students, whether our country students are interested in space technology.
Yes. In fact, let me tell you, there is a big rush. We take only 140 students from the JEE Main and JEE Advanced, and you won't believe me, there is around almost 80,000, 90,000 students appear in the interview in early days examination. Now we take from JEE Main, and I'm very happy that we get students from the top 16,000 students which come in the JEE Advanced scale. So the quality of the students and also the capability of the students were quite bright, and they are interested in challenges. Wherever you give challenges, they will do it, irrespective of whether it's a space or in any other field, because they don't want a run-of-the-mill kind of a program. So I'm sure the students are excited.